My wife wanted shelves in this corner of the bathroom, so that's what I worked on today. Here are the shelves we ordered. 10 inches wide by 5 inches deep with stainless steel mounts. The shelves will be installed in a corner with a 1/4 inch gap. To check for wall studs in the work area, I pulled out my magnet wall stud finder. I knew that there was a stud alongside the medicine cabinet. I skimmed the magnet back and forth until it grabbed onto a metal drywall screw. The magnet marked the location of the wall stud. I used another magnet to see if another stud was between that stud and the cabinet. Further up the wall, I found another screw on the same stud. But I did not detect any other stud in the work area. I placed a length of painter's tape where the first shelf was to be installed, and measured the mounting brackets to be 7 inches center to center and 2 1/2 inches to the right edge. A scrap piece of wood was used as a measuring jig. 2 1/2 inches plus 1/4 inch was measured and marked on the right, then 7 inches marked from the first mark. The marks were transferred over to the edge of the jig. It did not need to be exact because the mount had some leeway. An arrow reminded me of the correct orientation. I placed the jig against the wall, leveled it, and transferred the marks onto the wall. The included Allen wrench was used to remove the mounting piece, and I used it to mark the hole locations. A DIY dust catcher was placed under the spot. I used a number 0 Phillips screwdriver to punch pilot holes, then a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to enlarge the holes. The included wall anchors were installed with a cordless drill. This was followed by installing the mounting piece with the included screws. And straightened with the number 2 Phillips screwdriver. The other mounting piece was installed and a glass shelf placed onto the mounts. The included Allen wrench was used to tighten and secure the shelf onto the mounts. The moment of truth? Not bad for an amateur. I installed a total of 3 shelves. Now to see what else is on my honey-do list.